up, YouTube? I am here today creating DIY water bombs. Okay, well, this isn't made yet, so let's start. Okay, so to create this, well, today I'm going to be using a stink bomb. I have 3. I'm going to be using 1 for the video. See it? Okay, so we're going to need a stink bomb, duct tape, and scissors. Yeah, if you're like a kid doing this, I suggest parental guidance. Okay, so to do this, you have to take it apart. I suggest using the top because it can hold more water. See, it's deeper. Okay, so you take the top. See these holes? So you fill up this up with water, but the water comes out the holes. So, yeah. That's where the duct tape comes in. So you take the duct tape. Come on. So you take the duct tape, and cover up the 3 holes like so. Let's see. Now should I do it on the inside or the outside? Well, I was suggested that I do it on the outside, so let's do it on the outside, like that. See? Let me do the rest. Okay. Couple more to go. And 1 more. Okay, when you're done, your stink bomb should look like this. See, if you look closely, the holes are all covered up. Now, I'll be right back to you downstairs.
Radio.
Okay, I'm outside with my new water bomb. 90 degrees. Okay. It's ready to be tested. So I have the tape covered on all 4 sides, like so. And the hose is right here. Now, if I fill this up, now all I have to do is put the top on, and if I throw it, it should explode like this. Okay, in case you didn't see that, let me try it again. Okay, so fill it up. Fill it up. Put the bottom on. Throw it and bail. Okay, so that is how to make a DIY water bomb, and I will see you in the next video. Cut.